In front of me is Realme C35, and let me show you how to manage navigation bar. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select system and click on navigation bar. It's right here. So here you can change it, it's up to you. So just pick the one that you would like to apply. Here you can see the change right after you click. So for example, after this kind of change, you can smoothly use all the switches that you picked. Then you can change it again to any other. So this is it. This is how you can change the buttons layout, the navigation in this device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.